biggest part of what our mission as the Sullenberger Aviation Museum is to make sure community members have the opportunity to learn and grow and develop those passions. We really want to make sure that we give touch points to real STEM concepts for students.
It's building trust between the community and the department and doing something fun. The students will have the opportunity to see drones being used in different careers, and that's one of the most important things. These young people are looking for their the next chapter in life. After school, we're hoping that they connect to a future career.
Today, I really had fun hanging out with my family and my siblings and whatnot. It was definitely very fun to see drones and Snoopy, as I heard.
The helicopter drop-in was pretty incredible. I love seeing that and everyone running over to get a glance at it. We have such an awesome community, and being able to see people in person that have a combined interest, especially for the field of aviation, it's pretty awesome.
The favorite thing I have about the DroneFest is the community coming out to support us and all the agencies.
I thought it was awesome.
We all thought it was really good.
It's pretty awesome getting to see new faces that I'll probably get to see next year at our next DroneFest.